Hi, this is our block code for an LED slider on the MIT App Inventor. As you see here in the screen, this is how it will look on the phone. It looks a little wonky on the app, but once we get to the phone, the two buttons look good. Moving on to the code, we have the service UID, which is what the ESP32 is gonna use to connect to our app. We also initialize the screen and ask for permission from the user to connect to Bluetooth. Once the permission is granted, we connect our phone to the ESP32. I forgot to add that when you initialize the screen, there will also be some gaming music playing in the background. Once we find the correct ESP32, we stop scanning and the list of devices nearby stops popping up. We connect to our ESP32 and then we now program the slider by getting the slider UUID and converting its values into strings that the Arduino or the ESP32 can read. Next screenshot is how we get the buttons to work. The start scanning button will show you the list of the available devices you can connect to on Bluetooth, and it will make a little noise. Also, when you disconnect, there will be a little noise playing throughout. Next part, it just handles how the connection goes through. For example, if the connection goes through successfully, you will get notified that it's connected. The disconnect button goes away. Oh, sorry, the disconnect button is visible, and then the scanning and the other listed devices is false. And when you disconnect, the scanning will be visible once again, and also the list of devices, and the disconnect button vanishes.